Yung Happy Independence Day.
Dito ito tagapagbayad.
Oh, shout out.
Okay, Happy Independence Day!
Sabay, Happy Independence Day. Ready? Go!
Happy Independence Day!
Nakalimutan nyo yung
Philippines! Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Happy Independence Day! Days of Philippines! Mabuhay! Thank you!
So it's like you can just and I have the oil. Yeah, this you can use this for massage. Okay, massage. I have this one too. Welcome to Taste of Philippines. This one is more steak, so I think I have also more. Thank you so much.
Hello.
How are you? Were you videotaping?
Yeah.
What is this one for? What do you videotape for? Oh, oh my goodness. You're very important.
No.
Yes, yes.
I was disappointed today.
Ah, okay. Did you sign up yet?
No.
You can come. Stop it for a little bit. So
I want to go.
yeah, okay. Our company, Arbor Memorial, gives away $10,000 every year. The draw is October 31st. There's no obligation. You can sign up if you want information about our services, cremation, traditional burial, or funeral arrangements. You would check it off. We're advertising today is the Himline Filipino Garden. It's a garden that we open up in 2020. And a lot of people have already pre-planned there, so we're here to give some information about it. Okay?
How about your that side? I want to learn. You know what? What I work, majority of them work a lot for culture, but a lot of and very beneficial actually to learn bit of them. Sometimes they think that I'm Chinese. How many? I only eat Chinese food. I don't speak yet.
Yeah. Soon.
Yeah. Anyway, nice meeting you, dear.
Shout out po. Shout out.
Well, welcome to the Taste of Philippines here in Hamilton. We're showcasing a lot of Filipino products.
PID. PID.
PID?
Philippine Independence.
Yeah. We're promoting our Philippine Independence.
Yeah. Philippine Independence. Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Edit nyo na lang po.
Ha?
Edit nyo na lang.
Yeah. Baka wala pang stamp, baka kwan lang.
Yan lang.
Pero may contact ka ba kayo dito? Wala. Ang pangalan ng lugar mo, wala.
Quezon Apparel. Quezon Apparel.
Quezon Apparel. Okay. Baka may ilagay doon. Pagka ikaw na, lalagay yung
Quezon City, lagay nyo lang kapaner.
okay, thank you. Sa inyo rin to? Tama, baka naman may kwantay kasi mainit eh. Ang gaganda oh, mga camouflage. Mga mahilig sa camouflage, ang mga short na may mga bulsa sa side kasi nowadays yung phone hindi na pwede sa bulsa ng pantalon, kailangan naka side pocket na siya kasi malaki mga phone nahuhulog. Yung mga pantalon, mga short na walang side pocket, kanya mga outdated, hindi nakatoka sa mga ito, pero magaganda to. Tingnan mo naman ang ano, ang lead pang tawag diyan, lead. Tapos may mga mga bedspread ba to? Queen, Grand Queen, ba malaki. 3-piece coverlet. Mga kwan nga. Ganda oh. Kasano ba? Tapos may mga hand carry mo siya, pwede mo siyang dalhin. Katulad ng camping. Marami silang variety sa mga sombrero. At then marami silang mga t-shirt. Meron ding kids. Dami pa rito sa site. Anong pangalan ng store po niya?
Skydome Graphics po.
Side.
Skydome.
Pick it up.
Skydome Graphics po.
Saan kayo location dito? Ha? Toronto. Saan pa? Saan sa Toronto? Batters? Ito doon ako eh. Look me up pa sa Katrobox on Facebook. Hashtag mo ako sa Katrobox. Katrobox with a Z sa Facebook. Pero naman sa YouTube, pan mo ako, hashtag mo rin ako A, Katrobox. Pero Z ang dulo ha. Lalabas ang ako sa YouTube. Pero pagka hinashtag mo lang ako sa Facebook, ganun ba yung hashtag? Pagkatapos, Katrobox. English yung Trobox ang spelling ha. Yung K-A Tagalog. Z ang dulo. Then makikita mo ito mo. Tapos tanggalin mo na lang yung tokis. Pwede mo nang parang ma-inventory yung mga paninda mo kung ano itsura.
I'll say that in English. Our parade is about to take place. Let's get together.
Yung parada is about to start.
We can start.
Tara sa fountain. Pero dalam natin muna si Kenjin Water. Ayan. Shout out sir. Ayan. Shout out ma'am. So anong mga business po natin dito?
Kangen water.
Dual interview.
Kangen water po.
Ito
Ito yung machine na nagpo-produce ng Kangen water.
okay.
Ito
alkalized water.
Yeah. So, worldwide po ang Kangen Water. Kahit saan kayo pumunta sa Pilipinas, meron to sa BGC. Doon po ang opisina natin. Yeah. This is the healthiest water on earth. Good investment for the whole family.
And they can contact you
Oh,
with
yeah. They can contact us
My number.
our number sa 905-872-7993 and contact Heidi, my wife.
that's Toronto,
Toronto. Actually, Ontario.
Toronto, Brampton.
Ontario. Okay.
Anong Ontario?
Okay.
We're based on Brampton.
Brampton? What part of Brampton?
Pincusian Gobert.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yan. Kangen water, change your water, change your life. Antioxidant. Yan. At ito yung kanyang kwan. Just in case hindi nyo nakuha, ito pa. Oh. Join the parade, one of you guys join the parade para madami yung we will just do that then hanggang sa likod ng pan. Likod ng stage.
Hello. Lahat po ng mga concessionaire, magdala kayo ng sarili nyo carpooling. Dali nyo yung soundboard. Nato tayo sasama sa parada. Ano na lang po yung sabi.
Are you Italian? Or are you Chinese? Just joking. I want you just to laugh. How long been in Canada? Long time. How long? How long in Canada? How long in Canada? Yeah. How long you stay in Canada? Oh, you don't speak English? Anyway, today is just Independence Day.
One more, 1, 2. Thank you.
Okay, just assemble.
Dapat ganito sila.
Hindi makita ito. Hirap mo sa amin yung yung karap mo.
Ito yung
Yan, pwede. Thank you.
dito, pakilala ka dito. Lika, forward dito. Pakilala ka. Ito yung videographer natin, okay? Ayan, si Dito, okay? Papicture ka na. Kasi hindi ka na pwede sumingit pag gano'n. Alright? Ready? Go! Alright! Tugtog mo na naman.
Sa likod ng stage. Doon, may daanan sa likod ng stage. Dito na?
Dito na sa park.
Tama pala.
Palakpas!
Here we go. Taste of Philippines in Hamilton. Palakpak man ho kayo dyan. Yan. We are being led by the Miss Philippines from GAPA. And of course, lovely Asian and Filipino goods. We have Kangen water, the best water, purified, that can change your life. Here we go. Chef Kokoy, Filipino Restaurant and Catering. Mga taga Butters and Wilson. Meron din tayong Aliminos Variety Store. And of course, nandyan din ho ang kambingan ni Raquel. Kambingan ni Raquel. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, we will be officially opening the Taste of Philippines, the one and only in Hamilton City. Here we go. Thank you very much to the GAFA, Global Advocacy for Autism Awareness. Palakpakan po natin sila. Yes. Ayan. Ladies and gentlemen, lumapit ako kay Rito para makuna namin kayo. Nandito po ang ating mga photographers from Venus Cuisine Archive Solution. Yes. Autism, come forward please. Yan lang. And then all the VIP ladies on my left side. Okay? Yan, sige. And then the band. Lahat po kayong mga sponsors, dito kayo, sige, para makita natin. Thank you. Thank you for your cooperations. Yung Lovely Asian Filipino Food, Kangen Water, yung Chef Kokoy, Aliminos Variety Store. Yan. Yung hong iba, doon ho sa kabila, pwede? Doon, para makuna naman kayo. Alaminos doon kayo sa kabila. Ayun. Rocky ba o Rafi? Rafi. Meron ba tayong Philippine National Anthem dyan? Okay. Lahat o, kung tunay na Pilipino kayo, magsilapit kay Rito. Mamaya na yung tinda-tinda dyan. Lahat ng Pilipino, kung talagang Pilipino kayo sa puso, sa isip, sa inyong mga kaluluwa, lumapit po kayo rito. Yes. Lapit mo na lahat ng Pilipino dito. Makiisa kayo. Join us. Let's go. Join us. Mamaya na yung benta-benta ng halo-halo. Mamaya na yan. Yung mga hopya, mga marami tayong pagkain dyan. Talagang bibilin ho namin lahat yan. Lalo na yung mga may ice cream. Naku, sarap. Oh. Aha, okay. Huwag ho kayong mag-alala. Mayayaman po kami. May mga pera kami, pambili. Okay. O, ayan. Ito na po, bibigay ko na po yung microphone sa ating mga organizers para maayos ho ang ating programa.
Maraming salamat po, Doktor.
Kasi,
Ito na po. Mga awit po ng ating anthem today is wala rin iba kundi si
Mary Malyari,
Selena.
at your service.
Mary Malyari. Okay.
Ito po ang ating kanang masasabi. At awitin na natin ang ating awit ng Pilipinas. Ito po ang hinirang.
para close up,
Ang
Puta mo sila isa-isa.
Nakaano ba to?
Because we are in the land of Canada. So get ready.
There's a first time for everything.
Stay still.
Stay still. Okay, ito na po. Unang
You can sing. Still sing along. Welcome to Taste of Philippines Food and Music Festival. Thank you. Stick around and have fun. And we have performers, lots of performers.
Matagal na ho kami sa Toronto, marami na ho kaming nakita. Magkaisa naman tayo, kahit isang araw o isang linggo lang. Magkaisa-isa tayong mga Pilipino. Okay? Congratulations to Bernie, to George, to Alma, and to all. Sila Rafi, itong magandang to, si Mary. Okay, maraming salamat sa inyo sa pagbigay ng kaligayahan sa mga Pilipino dito sa siyudad ng Hamilton. Mike Horidao, thank you. Maraming palakpakan po natin sila, palakpakan natin. Okay? Pwede ko ho ba kayong kumbidahan lahat yung mga nagparada para makuna namin kayo ng isang magandang group picture dito? Pwede ho ba? Is that okay? Sure. Come up lahat kayo. Lahat ho ng mga nagparada. Dahan-dahan lang ho sa pag-akyat, ano? Dahan-dahan lang. Sige. Para makunan na tayo. Lito, close up. Bina, yung mga photographer mo, close up. Sumama ka dito, Bina. You're one of our organizers. Dito ka. Sige. Everybody. Yan. Josephine, yung security natin, dito ka, lika. Yan. O, lahat tayo. Isang malaking wide. Ano lang? Atras ng konti, atras ng konti. Ayan, doon tayo sa likod ng ano, ayan. Para hindi maano yung mga cords dyan. Doon sa likod. Sama kayo, sama. Lahat sama. Oh. Dito, close up, Mary, dito muna kayo. Rafi, George, dito kayo. Sila Alma. Lapit kayo, sige. Sama. Malaki. Walang sa likod. Oh, yung iba, push doon. Push ng konti. Doon. Para isang isang level lang tayo. Isang level. Walang uupo sa harap. Wala. Okay? Sige pa. Wala sa likod. Papasukin mo sila, Bernie. Bernie, dito ka. Sa gitna kayo. George. Asa si George? Dito kayo, George. Katabi kayo ng Miss Ambassador. Umatras kayo ng konti, Miss. Pwede ho ba? O, yan, dyan kayo sa harapan. Pwede ba? Dito ka, George. Sing it. Okay. Walang nasa likod. Kailangan hare-hare. Everybody on this side, please face me. Ayan, harap kayo sa akin. This side, face me. Ayan. Baliktad ang posisyon mo. Yan, ganun. Pasok. Yan, okay? Sandali lahat na ba? Gwapo na. Wala pong wala pong iiyak. Kailangan lahat smile. Yan. Ako, saan ako? Dito ako sa mga magaganda. Yes. Tabi tayo. Okay. O, sige.
Okay.
Nasa si Bina. Tatabihan kita. Ikaw na umbidad di sa amin. Okay lang. Minsan lang. Okay, go. Nagpapasalamat pa kami sa inyo, Sir Bernie and Sir George. Thank you for inviting us. Bina, thank you for bringing us to Hamilton. Kami po'y nagagalak ng mga taga-Toronto na kayo'y masaya kayo dito sa city ng Hamilton. Congratulations everybody. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga sarili. Thank you very much. Here we go. Thank you, Mr. Bernie.
Maraming salamat po, Dr. Calyantes. At maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Yes. At eto na po tayo, mag-umpisa na po ang ating programa ngayong araw. Ay dalawang madring nakalahod.
Hello. Hi everyone. GAFA models, pay attention. You have to change your clothes now into t-shirt and your boots or sneakers. To those going to dance, they're going to wear their boots on. Because after this first runway for t-shirt and shorts, the dancers will be ready. Okay, I don't think so you understand me, guys. Because seriously, you don't want to change. Hello? Okay, so picture first. We cannot go home back to Toronto. You're taking pictures too much. Alright. Okay, guys, again, I give you one more instruction. Get ready now. Put on your t-shirt, shorts, or jeans with your boots to those dancers and sneakers to those doesn't want to dance. Alright? So we have one segment. Okay, with shorts, with GAPA shorts, GAPA t-shirt and shorts. Okay, so okay, it's up to you. If you want to take a picture, we will start. So before anything, I will introduce myself. My name is Margie Dosset. I am the founder, president of Global Advocacy for Autism Awareness. Yes, everyone? Hello? Are you with me? We have to support the autism awareness. Alright, so I'm gonna talk a little bit because I think picture is more important. It's Filipino thing, I understood. I have something to share with you when I was in the church. You are not Filipino. The pastor said, if there is a big event, it's Filipino moment. I don't know what does that mean. The pastor said, it's picture taking. Because Filipinos love pictures. Yes. Yes. Okay. So we are Global Advocacy for Autism Awareness. So we have the second year. We did our event last April the 27th. But the first year we did, it's different names. We changed now into Global because the first name that we did, it was for Filipino community only. But we think it's better to make it global so we can spread more, we can expand our help. So autism awareness is helping parents, friends. To those parents, I know because I've been in that situation. I have my daughter. She is here, Christina. She is the ambassador. She was diagnosed with spectrum autism. So inspired me doing this. It's not just pop out in my mind and then I will do it. It's not about that. That's why I understood 100% those parents struggling with has autism kids. It's not easy life, but we are here to fight for them. We are here, GAFA, to empowering kids with autism. How is that? How is that? So we are the voice. We will fight for our kids has autism. So I won't gonna make it longer because everyone now is very anxious and very, I think not only anxious, is hungry as well. Yes. Okay. I would like to announce about our models. I think they are not ready yet. Rebecca, the t-shirt at the back if you want to join us. All right? Let me know, ladies, if you're ready. I think we need to do the entertainment. Okay, while we're waiting for our group. I think they are not ready yet. Okay, ladies, change your clothes into t-shirt, GAFA t-shirt with sneakers, and to those models, they're going to wear their boots. So they are get ready for the dance after. Christina, okay, you will change your dress. All right. There is a segment for that, Vina, later. There is a segment that everybody can wear their Filipiniana clothes. But for now, we are ready for t-shirt. We have program to follow. We extend our time already. We have to go back in Toronto.
Okay, let's go.
Ladies, again, make it
Snappy.
quick if you could. Change your clothes. We will start. Christina? Okay, thank you so much. I think someone going to perform.
Okay. Who perform first?
Oh, okay. You want this one?
Alright.
Hawakan ko.
Okay lang, isa lang.
Okay, what's up?
Ayan.
I have no choice. I have
Get
to
a
sing.
string?
We're getting some, I think.
Okay, while the models changing their
Go upstairs,
clothes,
go upstairs.
I have to entertain everybody.
I'll give
I
you.
hope you're gonna like it. Everyone, this is Filipino songs. kayamanan, waring di po ng kayamanan ng may kabal. Bigay sa aking talino, sa mabuti lang lahat.
nakapasyal ako doon sa ano, hindi pa nakapasyal doon eh.
Saan?
Hindi, sa Negara.
Oh.
Sana nga.
Ilang minuto rito ako yan?
45 minutes yata. Pero hindi ko alam kasi hindi ba ako taga rito.
30 minutes to
45 minutes.
Tama ka tayo.
Well, oo, pwede. Kami ni Irene, oo naman.
Lahat tayo nila, Mary.
Kahit tatay. Pwede
Pwede
pa
iwanan
naman.
yung mga credit card nyo.
Bakit?
Mapasubo kayo.
Ay, may maamoy na naman.
Oh, ito yung susunod?
Oh my gosh. Thank you, my life.
I know, he played spaghetti.
How are the performances? Sa akin paano mag-live? Kailangan pa rin ng white ng cellphone mo. Para makita mo yung nangyayari. Yung sa akin nung one nung nakilala ko yun. How much are the cartridges? 130. Ang pero matagal eh. Yung 30 mo pagka umad lang eh. Wala, about 2-3 days tapos na eh. Yung umad mo eh. Iyan eh. Once na nag-COVID ka na eh. Hinto ka na eh. Ito, ganito. Oh. Nabigyan pa ko ng tabo na hindi ko mong gusto. Magaling tao mo. Nakakalibre. Nakakalibre. Ha? Dito ko nito eh. Kinukulang ko sila. Kasi ko lang yan bago mag-umpisa yan. What? I'm going to go wrong. Okay, good. You maybe give me this money home.
Huh?
Give me gas money home.
What's that?
Gas money home.
What's that?
Gas money home.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm fucking broke. My car was acting up, and I tripped many times and bought different parts. Yo, shout out! Shout out! Strong. How are you?
Good. How about you?
Okay. Kihal. Yeah.
बढ़िया.
Acha. Assalamualaikum, no? I see the one before last night. It lights up, huh?
Lights up, yeah.
Tonight, I see that tonight. So what are you selling?
This is crystal.
Uh-huh.
Crystal stones. Crystal products. These are the bracelet for different types of stones.
Okay. Look good. I like that. Maybe tonight, maybe people will buy that.
Yeah,
When it get dark.
Yeah, you will see a lot of lights in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. Wait, $5 lang. $5. One stop good.ca. Oh. $5. $3. You need a wallet. So one stop goods. Oh, look at this. Those are bags, right?
Yes, po.
And cute lunch box. And then bags, sort of bags that people that you might like. Wait. Yan. Tapos yan, kanilang one stop. Ha? Huwag ganyan.
Thank you, Kuya.
Masad ng cars. Ipet gems and trinkets. Mga mahilig sa mga jewelry, mga small and this last sort. So, ito yung makikita nyo rito sa Taste of Philippines, Hamilton at Gates Park. Once again, Ipet's James and there's no phone number. Oy, DJ Alano. Nako. Yan. Mga gustong bumili ng mga realty. Max. Oh, hi. Ayan po, ayan, Jane, mabuhay daw. Ayan, buhay. Ano po yan? Ano po yan? Mortgage agent level 2 and realtor. Independently owned and managed directly. And number 289-700-3495. The office number is 905-385-9200. And .home at outlook.com. Remax Center, yan yung number. Kung you guys are interested, andyan po sila.
One-stop shop po. One-stop shop.
Oh, one-stop shop yan.
And realtor.
Oh, one-stop shop daw. Oh. Wala ka nang ibang hanapin.
Wala na.
Wala.
Good or bad credit. Pasok.
Mabuhay, Pilipinas.
Buhay. Bigyan namin kayo. Bigyan namin kayo nito. Sige po.
There's a beautiful girl there. She's got a good smile. And so inviting. Okay, I want a tattoo over here. No tattoo. It looks like a tattoo place, you know. What is it? Oh, a CD.
Yeah, so Red Bob is playing tonight at the band shell.
Oh, I heard that night.
Yeah, and then we just have a couple other CDs and posters.
I've graduated in that. Long ago, during the 70s. During the 70s. Headbangers. Yeah, I heard them last night and they were good. Yeah, they were good. So they, yeah. So, ayan. Those who's interested, mga friend, ayan sila. And your name is?
I'm Shay. Shay.
Shay? Hi, Shay. Thank you, Shay.
See you around.
Okay, lovely Asian and Filipino goods. No? Ayan, no? Ayan, no? Mga Filipino goods talaga. Ayan. Kita mo yung ano, yung palayok. Ayun sa baba. Oo. May problema sa palayok. Andito na. Tapos, meron pa silang sardinas, oh. Sardinas nga ba? Yan, yan. Pagka... Kailangan ko lang. Hindi, kailangan... It's okay na...
Model mo muna, kuya.
Hello, magandang umaga. Ay, magandang hapon pala. Happy Independence Day. Belated. And mabuhay Pilipinas. Mabuhay Taste of Philippines in Hamilton. Yeah. Ang sasexy ng mga damit sa likod. Ang ganda yung back yung sa likod. Ay, harapan pala yun. Side, naka-side naman. Ang ganda. Ganda ng damit doon sa taas, oh. Oh, bagay sa'yo yan. Ito, nasa lovely Asian and Filipino goods. Tayo, ayan. Yan yung kanilang, pero maganda yung kanilang mga damit na yun, no? Tapos mo mag-swimming. Oh, may banig, oh. May banig. mga bag. Hello! Ha? Isa lang? Oh. Kaya pala. Lovely Asian Filipino goods.
Lovely Asian Filipino goods, lovely kusina. So, that's one company po.
Anong saan ang place niyo? Meron kayong
We have Facebook page.
okay. Pero a restaurant, where you can eat.
We just do catering right now.
Oh.
We have hot food every weekend in our store in Cambridge.
Cambridge.
Yeah.
So, okay.
So you can guys order.
Okay, tell your people, Cambridge people, that you have a place in Cambridge that you can order.
Take out food every weekend only, but hopefully it's gonna be like 7 days a week, probably at 4 to 6 months.
So you do cater.
Yeah, we also do catering. And
Yeah,
we're
yeah.
gonna expand to like catering with whole family. That's our next project.
And if you want to order something,
Yeah, you can order.
is there a number that you can call?
Yeah, just call 519-650-8989 or follow us on Facebook page, Lovely Asian and Filipino Goods, Instagram, TikTok. Ayan, follow niyo po kami guys and order.
Yeah, lovely Lucina.
My Lovely Asian and Filipino Goods. Actually, this is our first time to do a food demo.
It's the first time also,
Yeah, first time today.
and also the
Yeah, first time to become a food vendor. We're doing the not food for 3rd year, but this is our first time to become a food vendor.
thank you. Very good, thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Ano pa dapat siniserve nyo? Ngayon, ano siniserve nyo?
We have laing, ito laing,
Oh, you have laing, yeah?
sinantulan, yeah, sinantulan po siya.
Aha.
And we have dinuguan,
Uy, paborito ko.
yes, and we have sisig,
Aha.
chami, specialty of Quezon, buko pandan po. We have buko pandan.
Ah, yun, sarap na yun.
And we have ito,
Oh,
barbecue,
barbecue.
vegetable, and corn spring roll.
Thank you.
Thank you
So,
po.
yeah. Keep in mind yung number. Ha? And this is halo-halo. Meron pa pala halo-halo. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this is our saleable for today. Halo-halo. Thank you.
Ano to? Maharlika. That's not a password to you?
Maharlika.
Is that a password?
Ha?
Is that a password? Oh, ah? That's a password, pero if you don't understand the password, then it's okay.
Hindi ko get to it. Okay.
Thank you! Thank you! Saan ka nga para sa atin?
Quezon.
Quezon!
That's why we have chami,
Ha?
sinantulan, and laing.
Shout out sa mga taga Quezon. Dala nila yung kanilang goods dito sa Hamilton. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, we'll go to the garbage area also. Ayan, no? And you guys manage the garbage? Do you manage the garbage? No wonder. Why are people sitting there by the garbage? Why they like the smell of it? Well, so you separate the garbage. Like okay, tell me.
Like these are the recycling, compost, and these are the plastic.
And if people come and and they have the container.
Yeah.
And then, what will you say? Is that full? Or, if they just gonna throw it like that, or just like this. Huh? This one, this is a. Look at the spoon in there. You win a prize if you know where to throw them.
That's how our job's called. Which one's plastic, which one's
All right, thank you guys. And your name?
Hadi.
Hadi.
Yeah.
Shout out to Hadi.
Yay.
Yes.
Let's go.
And this guy.
My name is Guy. We got Cass right here.
And this good looking guy. MJ. Hello, man.
And is that live?
No, I'm vlogging it. Facebook, YouTube. It depends. It depends if it's how short it is. I'll probably upload the video.
You have a card?
YouTube. This is YouTube.
Oh, yo, you have a shirt. Oh. Yo, that's cool.
Yeah, see the control box? You can search that on Facebook also. The hashtag.
Hashtag?
Hashtag and then control box.
Okay.
You'll see the spelling. The spelling of the control box on this on your picture. So thanks guys. So shout out to guys that what we say, love the protecting us. You know how you say that?
Bodyguard?
No. Green people. You know, like composting. You know, like huh? I don't know what to say, man. But guess anyway. Guess. Yeah. I see this in YouTube. I don't like I can't believe that I'm watching in real now.
I'm gonna take yours. I'll be with you in a second.
Look how they do it.
That's mine.
But anyway, see, look at that. An ice cream. An ice cream. And then spread it on the plate and it becomes more frozen.
Okay, yours in a sec here.
And you spray it.
Yeah,
And then and people loving it. And look at all the lined up over here. And it's called rolled ice cream.
one over there. That's the
And then there's like variety of them how you want it. Mango Madness, Taro Time, Cookie Monster, Cookie Spring, Cafe Suwada. What is that? Candy Crush. Yeah. A constant chopping. Depression.
Sorry, sir.
Oh, ship Kokoy. Restaurant and Catering, 437-772-3023. 327 Butter Street. North Shore. Chef Kokoy. Ayan. Tingnan natin ang selection ni Kokoy. Sit from here. Palikod tayo. Well, looks yummy.
Wala kami ba?
Yan, may mango. Chef Kokoy. Punta naman sa kabila. Rico's Classic Inihaw. Eraserhead. Diba may tours ng Eraserhead ang uling Bimbo World Tour. Great Canadian Casino Resort. So keep in mind, save the date, July 21st. Mabuhay Pilipinas! Mabuhay Taste of Philippines! Philippines! Ayan, kumakain siya ng halo-halo from Rico. Ayan ang kanilang pan. Tapos yung kanilang, ang sarap na yung kanilang karatula, oh. Picture pa lang, eh. Talagang gaganahan ka ng kumain. Picture ng pagkain. And Rico's House of Authentic Filipino Cuisine. They're at 866 Mohawk Road East, Hamilton, Ontario. Ayan, saka 905-574-1818. So, ayan, nakikita nyo naman, hindi na kailangan sabihin. Nakikita nyo naman. Ano yan, oh. Ano ang magkagandahan dito sa park na to? Walang langaw. Wala ka nakikitang langaw. Kaya masarap kumain. Punta naman natin yung barbecue nila. Ayan, mga luto na. Shout out, sir! Yun! Sir, say mabuhay! Mabuhay! So we are at another place. Mukhang pinapasok nila. Okay. Tropang Ilonggo. Tropang Ilonggo. Ayan pala yung pagkain nila. Yung mga picture. Baka makakain na ako ito. Yung
camera mo sa screen.
Oo.
Umandar na?
I mean, naka-picture na siya, pero
may kumakanta na.
Pero nakukuha ko naman siya rito eh.
Ano ka mo?
Naririnig siya. Shout out ko naman.
Hindi ako pinature.
Videographer.
At siya rin ay taga Winnipeg. Dala nila yung kanilang aso. Vancouver pa yan, ha?
Oo. Dami ng tao, grabe. Datingan. Mas mainit kanina.
Maaga pa masyado kasi. Kanina. Ako man? Kaya ako mas maraming ibang mas marami ang foreigner kasi Filipino. Good, yeah.
They can try our Filipino food.
Taste of Philippines nga.
Naman ang taba ako dito. Nagtaka pa eh. Kain ng kain eh. Nagtataka pa.
Shout out, sir! Mabuhay!
Hi guys!
Taga Vancouver, nagagawa na akong trabaho. Joke!
Nilolobo ako kasi nakakahiya.
Shout out po!
Baka mabody shame ako.
Mabuhay Pilipinas! Okay. Thank you. How tall are you? How tall are you? 5'7". Oh my.
Hi kabayan! Welcome to Hamilton, Taste of the Philippines. Pag may time kayo, visit kayo dito. Dami mga tao, dahil pagkain, mga Filipino foods available here. 4 to 5 p.m. magpe-play yung band na kasama namin dito. All 90s Filipino music soundwave band.
Yeah, that's good.
Subscribe kayo sa channel ni Kuya.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, sir.
No problema.
Maharlika. When? Cook lang, I mean ginger ale lang ako. Kanina pa ako kwan eh. I-comment chance mo na sa kanila.
I don't know, sinong charge doon si Colliantes?
Colliantes, so.
Okay, tatawagan ko siya. Nasa kanya yung number.
Siya lang ha?
Total ko na lang. I just gonna sit and tire.
Okay, so how's business? How's business? Marami na akong pinuntahan na katukan.
Yeah?
Yeah. Okay, how's business?
We still keep gigging.
Good. Yeah. And it's gonna be every year now.
Yes.
Taste of Philippines in Hamilton will be. Ayan, at ang kanyang, wala yung kanyang kwan. Ang harapan ba? Yung logo mo. Yo! Uy, tinapa oh. Ayan mo, ayan. May tinapa. May baguko. Ano ko? Goat adobo. Algareta, kilawen, papaitan. Filipino? You're Filipino? What? Are you Filipino? No. Why are you looking at yaki food?
Yaki food?
Yeah. Good joking. They're great. Goat, if you like goat, huh? You like goat? Okay. There's a goat, all goat.
Oh.
Those are all goat over there.
Gusto ni Miling ng hotdog?
And their barbecue also. Tapos punta natin yung banda. Tapos, ay, hindi pa patapos si lechon. YouTube. Okay, how's business?
We still keep gigging.
Good. Yeah. And it's gonna be every year now.
Yes.
Taste of Philippines in Hamilton will be. Ayan, at ang kanyang, wala yung kanyang kwan. Ang harapan ba? Yung logo mo. Yo! tinapa, oh. Ayan, no? Ayan. May tinapa. May baguko. Ano ko? Goat adobo. Algareta, kilawen, papaitan. Are you Filipino? You're Filipino? What? Are you Filipino? No. Why are you looking at yaki food?
Yaki food?
Yeah. Just joking. They're great. Goat, if you like goat, huh? You like goat? Okay. There's a goat, all goat.
Oh.
Those are all goat over there.
Gusto ni Miling ng hotdog?
And their barbecue also. Tapos punta natin yung banda. Natapos na, ay hindi pa patapos si lechon. YouTube. Out.